Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Connecting two Bluetooth headphones to a single PC is something many users want to do, but often struggle to set up correctly. Whether you're watching a movie together, sharing music, or simply need dual audio output without using cables. In this 2025 The Step-by-Step Guide, I'll show you a reliable and practical method to connect two Bluetooth headphones to one Windows PC. I'll guide you through each step clearly so you can follow along without confusion and get everything working properly on your system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more professional PC tips and easy to follow tech guides. Now, let's get started. Here you can see that I have two Bluetooth devices connected, but they do not work at the same time. To fix this issue, first open any web browser. Search for virtual audio cable and press enter. Open the first official website from the results. From there, download the zip file. Once the download is complete, right-click on the file and extract it. After extracting, open the folder and run the setup file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation is finished, you will see an X64 folder. Open it, then copy the audio repeater, the first one, and paste it on the desktop for easy access. Now, open the control panel. Search for sound and open sound properties. Make sure line 1 is set as the default device for both playback and recording. Next, open Audio Repeater and run it as administrator twice. In the first window, under Wave In, select Microsoft Sound Mapper. In the second window, under Wave In, select line 1. For Wave Out, select your Bluetooth devices in both windows. After that, simply click Start. Now, you can successfully listen to audio on both Bluetooth devices at the same time. Both devices are working properly. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching.